Hey, what's going on? As you see from the introduction video before this, I am making a do-it-yourself table slash workbench, and this measures 32 inches wide by 20 inches high. And basically what I'm going to do is it's a workbench, and what I have I'm going to put, this is the whole basically the table, and I'm going to put hairpin legs on it. I got from eBay for $25. I'm going to router the edges now. I've never routed before, so a friend of mine lent me his trim router, and I'm going to do like a round over bit. I never used a router before, so we're going to try it. I have a scrap piece of wood. I'm going to try it on first before I do this, and then I'm going to sand this down, and I'm going to go with this side, and I have to clean it up a little. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to sand this down, and then I'm going to stain it, and then I'm going to 2 coats of stain. Let me show you the stain I have. I'll be right back. Okay, the stain I'm using is Varathane. I never even heard of it. It's poly and staining 1. It's oil based. This is not the color I wanted. This is classic oak. I actually more wanted of a gray color, but the pickings were slim at the good old orange and white home improvement store. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do 2 coats of this. I'm gonna do the first coat, then I'm gonna lightly sand it with 180, and then I'm gonna do it again, and actually maybe I'll do 3 coats. I'll sand it again with 220. I'll see how it goes. I'm not even sure about that, but I'm gonna do definitely 2 coats. So we'll figure it out as we go along. So this is what I'm gonna use for stain. And this, I actually wanted, I found online. Sometimes, even though this is 3/4 pine, I really wanted to use birch plywood, but that store was out of it. So I got a 2 foot by 4 foot sheet for $25, and a nice gentleman at the store, he cut it down for my dimensions. So what I'm going to use this for is I'm gonna trim this a little. I'm going to use this as like a table stiffener underneath, so it helps with doesn't like flex. I mean, I think it would be okay. Like I said, I'm just basically using this as a table slash workbench. As you notice in my other videos, I'm into RC cars, so I want to start getting back into that again. And this is just going to be my basement in the work area. So basically, you know, that's going to be it. So like I said, this is going to be a do-it-yourself project, and you're going to come along in this venture, and we're going to do this together because I have no idea what I'm doing. It's DIY, so we'll learn. It'll be a learning process as we go together. And like I said, the router I'm using is a Drill Master 1/4 inch trim router. My friend lent me that, and it's got a round over bit. So what we're going to do is round over these edges all the way around, and I believe I'm going to do both sides. I have a scrap piece, so we're going to have to test that first. But like I said, it's going to be a learning curve here. So, okay, let the fun begin. Alright, what I did on the scrap piece of wood is I tried the router, to use the router. I mean, I guess I got it good. Round over bit, it's you know, it folds it over, it's not sharp. I did both sides. So this is just a scrap. It's not bad. So now we're going to go on to the actual tabletop. We won't need that. That's done. And always remember, safety gear. Ear protection, eye protection, and dust. Just doing this, the GoPro is at least 4 feet away. There's dust, sawdust all over the GoPro. I just had to blow it off. So let's try the Lego piece now. Safety first. He said you always start with the short edges first. You see the sawdust flying. Just gonna flip it over. Do the other side. There is sawdust everywhere. Yeah, it's not bad. Round over the edges, they're not sharp. Yeah, not bad for my first time. Never really did this before. Cool. Nice. Nice. So, like I said, we're going to make this side, it's going to be the top. Nice. Make sure that's even. This is probably the ground with the table. So, the routing's done. The Jewel Master 1/4 inch trim router, it's not bad. It's not heavy in the hand. I got one, I picked up one myself over the weekend, but I borrowed this from a friend of mine. So, thank you, JL. For letting me borrow this. And my other friend ML is also giving me a lot of advice. He's good with carpentry and woodwork, so he's been helping me, feeding me ideas on how to do this. So thank you to both guys. So as of right now, this is going to do for now for the table. I guess we'll consider this part 1, and next we're going to sand it, and then we'll do the stain and the legs, and I have to do that table stiffener, and it should be done. So until part 2, I'll catch you guys later.